toss a coin flip at 20x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Congratulations, guys. That's a good number. Thank you, Poggy. Next round. Happy birthday, buddy. Thank you. Sure. Do you bring presents? Crazy times 2x. What is that? That in the glass? Bacardi? No. We have crazy time. No way, Jose. 2x top slot on crazy time. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Guys, 2 times top slot don't make it twice as nice. So first top slot, then we pick our team, our arrow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what's the plan? Green, blue, or yellow? What are we gonna do? Where do we go? Where do we go? Lucky Loki, I go yellow. I go yellow. Let's go. 200 max. Spin. Get it.
This is the amount of money issued, 549,093 euros.
Ooh. 50 on green, 200 on blue, and Malaka says blue always bad. No. And yellow with 30x as well.
Change the value anytime you like to on betting time. Where's Mr. Beast? Oh, Mr. Beast. Making chocolate most probably. Or sleeping. Better close. Crazy 10 2x top slot. Well, LJ, you are so hot. Thank you. Can I sing? Or what do you want me to sing? We can sing something. Oh, Miss Bonus, baby, yes! And a top slot as well. Yay! Let's go, guys. Woo! There we go, you guys. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get it. You ready? We got a 2x on this one, okay? So, 2x top slot. Oh, yep. Let's go. Let's add the top slot. What do we have there? Oh, there's already a 200x on the wheel. So, adding the 2x, that means we're getting a 400x max now. But first things first, you guys. Choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Or in my ways, green apple, blueberry, or banana team. Which team are you guys? Okay, 400x max. You ready? Let's get it! Good luck!
This is the amount of money issued, 535,786 euros.
Yellow and a 200x for green.
Classic once more with feeling. Welcome back to Coin Flip. Here we are again. So, 3x versus 50x. But we also got a multiplier, so now it's 15 versus 250x. Oh boy, I'm shaking in my boots. Guys, please think about blue. Think of the bluest thoughts you've ever had.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,006,235 euros.
6 on blue. Well done, guys. Round of applause for everybody. Woo! Let's go back to the wheel. Congrats to the winners, Ganesh, QD, RBGRGR, and Crew. Your top 3, well done. Baron.
We're going to move back here. Let's go and start pumping up, please. Let's go and try and have a fun, wonderful, amazing time here together. Let's try to have some fun and wonderful. What is here? Welcome to New York King Players. My name is Mark. Let's try to enjoy this. Let's have a good time here. Everybody out of play options available on the betting side of the please. And when you bet on here, you bet on everything. Numbers are 1 to 1, but it's round, so you get what you get. Top plot, we're going to crazy sound with a 4x at the moment, so we're going to see the wordings up for this round. What's going to be in store for us this time around, everybody? Here we go. Let's make some moves, please. All right on, everybody. We got a crazy time with a 4x. Crazy time. Here we go. Blue, green, yellow. 3 colors. Everybody, what is most depicted, I can see is the blue color. Second place, 6 yellow. Third place, 6 green. And everybody, the maximum supply of 400x. And let's have a crazy time. We got that double on the yellow. But of course, maximum supply heat, 100x, and let's go now, babe. Oh, crazy time!
This is the amount of money issued 165,236 euros.
100x on the yellow. 80x on the blue, 140x on the green. Let's move back. Alrighty, here we are, good. Congratulations, all you orders. And of course, we're moving on. Should head to this side. We're deciding to pump it up here right now. Numbers because I want to want everybody but a chance to get what you get in. That's going to try and have a fun. Wonderful. Great time. Here we go.
Make a choice. So still my highest win is 250x on 5 for the session. Well, we are still missing for Pachinko and playtime as well. Yes, I do. I'm a Swiftie. Interesting Foxy, interesting cash on with 3x from a TOPSLOT. Maybe we do have quite similar strength, power, whatever. This is ripping my hair. Excuse me. Maybe we are in the same level, Foxy. And bum bum biram bum bum biram bum. No, that's what I'm talking about. Cash on with additional multiplier. I told you so, you can never know with my session. So we do have 500x. Imagine that. The highest win of the day is here once again. So let's add that 3x. 1,500x as the highest multiplier for this exact round. That's the way. I like it. Smooth. That was a smooth one. Bam. And we got it. So also we do have Kaya here as the mod. You can ask any question, but right now we will repeat the history to be the highest win of the day. And also it's your decision time. Shoot your shot. Ducks, bunnies, apples, cupcakes. Up to you to choose. Just make a decision or wait for odds pick. Mark, I love this game. Okay, let me count. Gotcha. Let's reveal all of the multipliers. And
This is the amount of money issued 35,818 euros.
down there, as I can see, 20 of you got the highest win. 2,065. Hip hip hooray. To the wheel we go. To the wheel. Let's go get away. Danielle, how it went for you? That wasn't the highest win, I know that for sure, since it was a little bit down. But what did you got? 15x. A win is a win. A win is a win. 15x is better than 3x, 5x. You cannot prove me wrong. No, no, no. 21x only. No need, no negativity. A win is a win. Make a choice. Only right now I didn't. Oh, it's okay. Make a choice. I thought pachinko is a little bit woohoo. Going back. I'm gonna go check out the new game. Gotcha, Chupapi. Okay, take your time. Huh? What's up with the hearts? Yeah, yada yada. Buy with 50x. Now that's what I'm talking about. Thought you were here yesterday. I was expecting you as well. Oh, seriously? She was expecting me? How did it manage to call yourself Queen of Bonus? I don't do that. I don't do that. I just do this. Spin, pump, and expect the best.
This is the amount of money issued 120,186 euros.
5 with 50x multiplier. 999 winners.
10 betting 10. Please place your bets. Change your spinning style. You always got number 1. No, I am spinning how I'm supposed to spin, by the way. If you know correct style, then give me some tips. Bets are close. How's the coin flip with 20x? Coin flip with 20x multiplier from TOPSLOT. Yes! Woo! Nice! Oh. Blue side. Mwah. I'm so excited to see the multiplier. Of blue side, 15x on red side with 20x multipliers on TOPSLOT, 300x on red side, and 60x on blue side. Actually, both of them are pretty good, but of course the red one is good.
This is the amount of money issued 189,010 euros.
Mwah. 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 I have what to do with both hands. 1,635 winners. Congratulations. The couple ends up betting 10. Please place your bet. Let's go! And now, bats are close. Good luck. Something like that, it's hard to forget you, okay? 1,183 of you have won this one. Congratulations. Hey, Sophia. Hello, dear. Last thing to the place to bet, everybody. Bets are closed. Boston. I answer every old message here. Come on. I'm thoughtful. I'm good. So Sophia, your main account got banned, darling. What happened? What did you say that it got banned? Come on, can we reach it? Can we reach it? Yes! Woo! Raise it up with 7x on top of it. Let's go! I don't think you're ready for this. You guys are not ready. Woo! Let's go, everybody. Crazy time is here. Are you ready? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Alrighty, let's multiply everything by 7. Ooh. Look at that! Ooh. I can't believe it. Alright, everybody. So let's go. Decision time starts for you now. Go ahead, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Which one is going to be the one for you? Hope you're ready. Last few seconds. The max multiplier for us is 700x. Let's go! Woo!
170 for green, 140 for yellow, and devil goes to blue. So now, highest multiplier is 1,400X for us. Let's go, round 2. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued for 151,624 euros.
100X! Congratulations! Have you seen this?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.